Attention, all job hunters and money makers. Are you ready to break free from the 9-to-5 job and ready to take control of your financial future? Then buckle up, because this video is about to change everything you thought you knew about making money. With this simple side hustle, I'll show you how you can make easily $20,000 every month without investing a single penny. This is not some get-rich-quick scheme or a false promise. It's a real and proven way. And the best part? You can do it in just 1 to 2 hours a day. You heard it right. You can earn big bucks from the comfort of your own home just by using the secret AI tool better than ChatGPT that I am about to reveal to you. I know you're probably thinking, how is this possible? Well, let me tell you, the world is always in need of good content, and that's where you come in. By using this free AI tool, you can write SEO-friendly and unique articles that will not only be of high quality but also in high demand. And the best part is, you don't need any prior experience or technical knowledge to use it. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the desire to make extra cash. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take your earning potential to the next level. I will teach you how to use this AI tool at the end of the video. First, let's talk about how you can make money with this tool without any investment. There are many ways to make money as an article writer, but in this video, we're going to explore 4 most popular options. First up, we have freelancing. As a freelance article writer, you can write articles for clients and get paid per article or hour. You can find clients on freelance platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses and individuals directly. The average freelance writer per article rate on Upwork and Fiverr is $50. If you use this AI tool that I will tell you how to use it later, with this tool you can write one SEO-friendly article in 5 minutes. That means if you spend 2 hours a day freelancing, so you can earn $20,000 to $30,000 easily. Freelance writing is a great way to earn money while working from home and can provide a lot of flexibility in terms of scheduling. Next, we have content mills. Content mills are websites that connect freelance writers with clients who need articles. Some popular content mills include Constant Content, which is a great platform for freelance writers who want to get paid for their writing. They have a large client base and offer a range of writing opportunities, from articles to product descriptions. Next website, we have Scripted, which connects businesses with top-tier freelance writers, and you can expect to earn good money for your writing. Third website, we have Writer Access, which is another platform that connects freelance writers with businesses. They offer a variety of writing projects, from blog posts to social media content. Similarly, fourth and fifth, we have Writers Work and Be Writers. These 2 websites that are good for beginners to make money as a writer. The third way to make money using the AI writer tool, we have Medium.com. Medium offers a partner program that pays writers for their work based on how much engagement their articles receive. To join, you need to create a Medium account and sign up for the program. You can then start publishing articles and earn money based on how many Medium members engage with your content. Last way to make money as a writer, we have self-publishing. Self-publishing means that you can write and publish your ebooks or print books through platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. One of the best things about self-publishing is that you can earn passive income from your work. The waiting time is over. Now let's talk about how to generate articles for free with this AI tool that is also 100% unique and SEO friendly. For that, visit this website, AutoWrite app, the best AI assistant for SEO writing. The question comes from where to get blog ideas related to your niche means category. If the client also says that you have to find the blog ideas yourself, you can charge extra money from the client for this. You can take help of Quora website to find blog ideas. Quora is a Q&A website where people ask questions on a wide range of topics and others answer them. It's a great resource for finding popular topics and questions in your niche. Use Quora's search function to find questions related to these topics. For example, if I want to write an article on cryptocurrency, I will type cryptocurrency here, then press the enter key. Go to the questions section, and here you will find all the ideas that people are interested in. Another way to find blog ideas is HubSpot Blog Ideas Generator tool. Go to Google, search this tool, and open this first website in new tab. Here, enter keyword related to your category and click on this Give Me Blog Ideas button. This tool will give you 5 unique ideas for free. Now, after finding blog ideas, again go to this free powerful AI tool. Type blog idea here, cryptocurrency expectations versus reality. In this section, enter long tail or short tail low competition keywords that you would like to target in the search results to make this blog 100% SEO friendly for your client and for yourself. It's optional. I leave it as it is. then go to the next step. Now here you can create subheadings for your blog article. If you leave it blank, then this AI will automatically create headings for your article or blog. If you want to add more headings to your article, then click on this plus icon button. Set paragraph length. I will suggest you set it to long. This option is for how many keywords you want to stuff in a section. Do not stuff more than 3 to 7 keywords at all. Then click on this next button. If you want to generate FAQs for your blog, then you can turn this option on. Then simply click on this generate article button. This will make a blog article in less than 5 minutes. I'll skip the video and show you. Our 100% unique and SEO-friendly article is prepared as per our requirements. It has also created 5 headings according to our requirements and also written conclusion subheading on the end. This AI really blew my mind. You can bold, italic, and add link to any text. Now let's check if this article is plagiarism-free or not. For that, copy some part of the article and then go to Google. Search for plagiarism checker tools and press enter key. Select any tool. For example, I open this tool in a new tab, scroll down this page, paste your copied script here, and solve the Google CAPTCHA. After this, click on this check plagiarism button. This tool will tell you in a few seconds whether it is a unique article or not. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see that this article is 100% unique and contains 0% plagiarism. Now let's also see that this article was not generated by AI, because Google does not rank AI articles. You should search this tool in the new tab, and I will give the link to this tool in the description of this video. Copy and paste parts of this article into this tool, and just wait for a few moments. You can see that according to this tool, this article is real, which means that it is an article written by a human, which means that you can rank it. Now that you know the various ways you can make money as an article writer using AI tool, it's time to take action. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know which of these methods you'll be using to start making money today.